What is up, everybody? Thank you for joining. We got a 10-minute strength workout. No equipment is required, but you can use a mat if you like. Okay, we will be coming down to the ground. Nice and easy. Hands up, just right here. Get that knee to elbow. Exhale that breath, okay? Just warming up that body here. Exhale that breath every time you bring that elbow down towards that opposite knee. Get that knee up nice and high. Alright, so we got a 10-minute workout. We're doing each exercise twice, okay? Alright, no break in between. Alright, go right into a jump rope here. Alright, give me a little boxer hop, side to side. Warming up that body, getting that heart rate going, warming up those muscles, okay? So we got a full body workout with no equipment. You do what you can. Challenge yourself. If you do need that break, we won't take a break, but if you do need it, go ahead and take it. That's alright. That's your workout. Okay, it's up to you. Nice and easy. Keep breathing. First exercise, here we go, alright? Inchworm into a push-up. Inchworm. You're standing right here on the edge of your mat or the ground. Reach it down. Soft bend in those knees. Reach for it out. Walk it on out. Push up. Walk it on back up. You can drop to the knees if you need to for that push-up. Alright. Again, you can drop to the knees, give me that push up, knees back up, walk it on back up, okay? So we're gonna do this exercise. Then we got another exercise right after this, then we come back to this exercise, okay? So again, hitting each exercise twice here. Okay, first set, you kind of just filling it out, getting used to that move. Second set, you go a little bit harder, okay? You know what you're doing. Challenge yourselves. Reach it on up. Soft bend, reach those hips back, okay? Okay, do what you can. Push up, reach it back up. Alright, one more. Alright, we're gonna stay right here on the ground. Hands and knees, tabletop back, foot is up, flex that foot, knee 90, kick it up to the ceiling here. Alright. Working the glutes, working the back of the leg here. We're gonna do about 30 seconds here. Then we'll switch it to the other leg. Stay balanced, keep that core engaged, keep those hands and shoulders working. Okay. Alright, switch sides. 90 degrees, foot is flexed. Kick up to the ceiling. Okay. Get that leg up as high as you can. Okay. It's gonna work the glutes, back of the legs harder. Great job. Exhale that breath every time you kick on that. Stay in control of that leg here. Stay in control of your body at all times. Okay, one more. Then we're gonna inchworm it back on up. Back into that first exercise. Push up. And reach. Again, feet aren't really moving anywhere, okay? They're about staying in place the whole entire time. It's all about the hands working the shoulders here as you walk it on up. Okay. Working the lower back as you stand it on up. Working the chest, working arms with that push up. So you got a lot of muscles working, 30 seconds left. A lot of muscles working here. It's all about taking you out of your comfort zone, okay? Doing a move you maybe never have done, alright? Or you don't even do like in your everyday living. Okay, that's how you're gonna figure out those muscles that you have that you didn't know you had. Alright, give me one more. Then we're going back into those glute kicks. Alright. Right here, tabletop back, foot is flexed. Kick it up. Keep that belly button towards the ground, chest towards the ground. I don't want you rotating that body to get that foot up higher, okay? Engaging the lower back, core is working. Arms are strong, hands right below the shoulders. Get up to the ceiling as high up as you can. Alright, switch sides. Last one. Nice job. How we doing, everybody? Still with me? Feeling the legs work here, okay? The glutes. Back of those legs. Keep that foot flexed. You can try and maintain that 9-degree knee. Okay. Nice job. Alright. Go ahead and bring it on down into a low plank. We're making an equal sign here. We're going into alternating side planks. Okay, so equal sign. Rotate up. Come back down. Other side. Hand over shoulder. Straight line through that body. Okay, hand up. I don't need you swinging all the way back, just straight up towards the ceiling. Come back down, other side. Great job. Keep it going, 30 seconds left. You can drop to the knees if you need to. You can have a bottom knee down if you need that extra support. Alright, it's all about challenging yourselves though. Do what you can. Do what your body allows you to do. Alright, if it's a little bit challenging for you this first time, second time around, be a little bit easier. And it's all about just getting used to that form here, okay? That practice makes perfect. Alright, bring it on down. Lay it on the ground. We're going into some skydivers. Skydivers, feet nice and wide. Palms down. Elbows 90. Lift up. Feet come up. Chest comes up. It doesn't matter how high you're going. Alright, as long as you're getting that chest up. Modification, your feet can stay on the ground, just the chest can come up. Exhale that breath. Again, it's a small movement coming off the ground. Work engaging the lower back. Opening up that chest here. Exhale. Should bring it on up. Great job. Keep it going. We got about 15 more seconds of these. Then we're going to go back into those side planks. And then we go back into this. And then we have one more final move after, okay? Alright, bring it on back. Low plank. Remember, equal sign on the elbows. Knees or toes. Rotate straight line. Come back down. Okay, so you're rotating on those toes, side to side. Again, if you need to drop that bottom knee, you may do so for that extra support. Great job. Under 30 seconds. Stay strong. Keep working. Push through it. Okay? Body's feeling tired. You got this. Stay in control. Engaging everything in that upper body to help you support that hand, that side plank. One more on each side. Then we go back into skydivers. Last ones. Bring it on down. 9 degrees. Feet wide. Lift up. Again, it's engaging that lower back here. We're working lower back. So be careful if you're feeling some kind of pinch or some kind of pain. Stop and take a breather. Okay. You're just trying to get that chest up as high as you can. Exhale that breath. Nice and easy. Okay. It's not a race here. It's about quality. Okay. Quality over quantity. 30 seconds. Great job, everybody. Nice work. Under 20 seconds. Keep it going. Final move coming up. Alright, that final move will be a bird dog. Okay, so you're gonna finish strong. One more. Bird dog here, okay? What you're gonna do is gonna be back on hands and knees here. Come up. Knee to elbow. Push out. Come back down. Alright, straight line, hand to foot. Bring it in, bring it out, come back down. Alright, so it's working some lower back core, shoulders, some abs with that knee to elbow. Straight line through that body though. Stay in control. Alright, I want a perfect one every single rep, okay? Every single arm and leg you're raising, I want it perfect. So it's not a speed game here. Okay, it doesn't matter how fast you're doing it. I want you to control it. Every single one is perfect. Great job. Almost there, everybody. One more. And relax. Alright, bring it back down. Hands and knees. Round that back up. Great job today. Arch it on down, look up. Relaxing that lower back here. Arch it on up. Chin down to the chest. Back down one more time. Alright, lay it back down on the stomach. Go ahead and pull in the leg. Alright. Just relaxing that body here. Switch sides. Alright, sit it back on the heels here. Child's pose. You're gonna take one arm, you're gonna reach it on out though, okay? It's gonna open up that chest for you. Palm down. Switch sides. Trying to get that chest flat, but that arm is out, so it's gonna open up that chest for you. Alright, hands at center, child's pose. Reach it back. Hands forward. Keep it breathing. Alright, slowly roll it on up. Alright, how'd you do, everybody? Great job. Inhale. Exhale. One more time, inhale. Exhale. And give yourselves a hand. Great job, everyone. Thank you for joining me again. Alright, stay fit, stay flex. See you next time.